What's the meaning of begging bowl? Begging bowl. Begging bowl.
Begging bowl. Begging bowl. The term begging bowl typically refers to a bowl or container used by mendicants or religious ascetics to collect alms from passers-by. In a broader sense, it can be used to describe a situation where someone is forced to ask for help or charity due to their impoverished circumstances. The phrase's origins can be traced back to ancient India, where it was common for holy men and ascetics to live solely on the alms they received. In modern usage, the term is often employed metaphorically to refer to someone who is dependent on the goodwill of others or to describe an entity that is constantly seeking financial assistance.